Hi, welcome to my boring routine day. But you know, I've always loved the rain. November feels like it came a little late this year. The day started sunny, but now the rain has finally arrived, and with it, that cozy feeling I've missed. Do you guys eat leftovers for lunch? Because of my busy schedule, I usually cook extra for dinner and save it for the next day. It saves time, and honestly, who doesn't love a hot meal on a rainy day? This is sweet milk tea. We call it teh tarik. The rain in the afternoon feels so cozy, almost like it's calling for something warm and comforting. I'm going to unbox this or open this package from Modern Citizen. It's my new denim jacket. So I know it's already November and it started to rain already, but some of the days they are just perfect for denim outfit. So I've got a new denim jacket and also new pair of jeans. So I'm gonna unbox both of these and put it on, and then I'm gonna go pick up my son from school. I'm already late right now. This is from Modern Citizen. This is so cute. By the way, this is not sponsored. I just like a nice clothes and nice outfit to wear every day. I feel good in nice outfit. Given the price, the packaging is really basic for me. It's just in a Ziploc bag. It's so pretty. Oh, I have my mirror over here. Oh, it's so pretty. Should I put this on instead of this sweater? I should put this on. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. And then also a new straight cut jeans from H&M. Oh my god, I'm in love with this jacket. So cute. So I'm gonna show you from the back. This is the belt. This is so cute. And I love this pair of jeans too. They are from H&M. I gotta go now. So I'll see you soon. I have to go pick up my son now. This might be the last time I'm taking care of my flowers before they go into hibernation. It feels bittersweet, doesn't it? Taking a pause, letting the flowers rest. Maybe I should do the same. Stay inside, get cozy, let the season remind me to slow down. As I was editing this video, I got some heartbreaking news. My best friend from college, she passed away. I was shocked. I had to stop editing for a while because I was crying the entire night. I couldn't stop thinking about her. We were inseparable 20 years ago, the kind of friendship that leaves a mark on your soul. It's in moments like this I remind myself to appreciate what I have right now. The routines, the quiet comforts, and the people I love. Life changes so quickly, and we never know what tomorrow holds. But today I have this. I have warmth, I have memories, I have hope, and for now, that's enough. In loving memory of a dear friend, take care of yourselves and those you love. Until next time, thank you for being here.